everybody, we are going to be lighting off fireworks, so, yeah. Because my favorite part.
I think that one's done.
Look, I'm touching it. I'm touching it.
Party?
Oh, they made noise.
Loud?
They're making noise. The other neighbors are. So. Well then. Guys, that was loud. Oh my god. I gotta turn off the lights. Oh my god, the lights are off. Whoa. Well then.
There wasn't very much, but it was pretty.
Mom.
I like it.
Here we go.
Head off this one.
Winnie got it. There it goes.
Get down for it, then go back towards the house.
Is that it?
Yeah, don't shoot more of them damn noisy ass things.
There's only one left.
Huh?
There's only one left. Where's the sparkler?
Get off on the ground.
Whoa, that's cool. It's like different on the outside of the screen, but then on the inside it's like aliens. That's my hand. This is cool.
Don't do that too hard, just fly back over here on me. Why don't you go out in the grass with it?
Because it's almost done.
That lasted a long time. That one of them neon ones?
No, we're done with those. There ain't no more of
They
those.
wasn't what I thought it was going to be, but it was neat.
Drop it. Not in my flowers. Go get another
Your
one if
flowers.
you
I don't
them.
want it anymore.
Well, what do you want to do?
None.
You want to save them
I will like to save them.
for
That's
tomorrow?
it.
Yeah.
Give me that, will you?
Grandpa.
It ain't even out completely, Dad.
I know.
Hard-headed.
I
Man.
smell like birds really well.
What the heck is wrong with you? I'm going in. Bye. They're so weird, guys. But that was before 4th of July. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And yes, Kinshaya. She's my filming girl. She you're on my knee, Michael. And here's my foot. You're on my knee, Michael. Oh, I don't give a crap.